you're looking for a home on the golf course that checks every box, you're not going to find a better one than this one. Located on the back 9 of the Woodforest Golf Course, you've got 5 bedrooms, a game room and media room, plus pool and spa. You've got one of the most highly coveted floor plans with 2 bedrooms down, even a true media room, and a balcony off the game room. One of the best features of this home is your primary closet leading straight into your laundry room. You've got tons of upgrades from a recent roof, full house generator, and complete camera surveillance. And on top of all of that, you're zoned to Montgomery ISD. For any questions or to schedule a tour, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.